Okay, so in this presentation, I'm going to use an example paragraph to show some important information about the different parts of an excellent paragraph. So this is the paragraph that you see on screen. You can pause and read it, or I'll go ahead and read it to you. While you read it, I want you to think about, what is this paragraph about? Here we go. Some of us have done this hundreds of times. We sometimes think we could do it in our sleep. But if it's your first time, don't worry. It's really a very simple procedure. First, you sort everything into piles. It's better to separate things carefully at this point, or you can cause real damage. Then, when one pile is ready, let technology do the work. Be sure you follow the directions. And remember that it is better not to do too many things at once. Mistakes can be expensive. Once the first part is done, the next step depends on the equipment you have available. You may be able to put technology to work again, or you may have to use old-fashioned methods and take everything outside. In any case, it will eventually be time to make piles again and put everything where it belongs. And then you are done for now. All too soon, the time will come to repeat the whole procedure. Are you able to identify what this paragraph is about? If you are, congratulations! It's very difficult to know what this paragraph is about. Sometimes people can identify that it's about a procedure, which is like a process, something about technology. It's about how to do something. Sometimes people notice this word piles. They think it's about papers or things like that. But it's actually very difficult to tell what this paragraph is about. Now I'm going to tell you the topic of this paragraph. The topic of this paragraph is laundry. Can you understand this paragraph now that you know what the paragraph is about? Let's check. Some of us have done this hundreds of times. Yes, I have done the laundry hundreds of times. It's very simple. Okay. You sort everything into piles. When we sort the laundry, we make piles like dark colors, white colors, and we need to separate them or we can cause damage. Okay? We let technology do the work. The technology in this case is the washing machine. We have to follow the directions, not do too many things at once. The next step depends on the equipment. We could use technology again. That would be the dryer. Or we take everything outside and we hang up our laundry in the yard with the old-fashioned method. Okay, then it's time to make piles again. That means we fold the clothes and we put it away. Then we're done and we have to do it again later. So now that you know the topic, it's so much easier to understand this paragraph. Before we knew what the paragraph was about, it was almost impossible to understand the paragraph. Now that we know what the paragraph is about, we are able to, all the pieces fall into place in our understanding. Okay, so that means that this paragraph, which is not exactly the type of paragraph you will write, but it's very useful for explaining this point. This paragraph is missing something key, which is the first sentence, which is called the topic sentence. So in your book, you'll be able to read a lot about topic sentences and how to write effective, good topic sentences. But here I just wanted to show you why a topic sentence is so important. Because if we don't understand the topic of the paragraph, we cannot understand the paragraph at all. Okay, so when we have a topic sentence, and you'll be able to review this in your book, we have a topic, which is the general subject, and we have a controlling idea, which is the writer's point. A topic sentence has 5 key features. It guides the paragraph. That means all the sentences in the paragraph are about that topic. It is not a fact. It is specific, but not too specific. And we'll talk about that a little bit more. And it includes a controlling idea. So for the same topic like laundry, we could have many different controlling ideas. So all of these topic sentences are good topic sentences, and they're all about laundry, but only one of them reflects the controlling idea in the paragraph that I showed you. So, for example, if we say the chore of laundry is done differently in my country and in the U.S. Hopefully you know this word chore. Chore means a job that we have to do in our house. For example, laundry, cleaning the bathroom, washing the dishes, mowing the lawn, etc. Those are all chores. So in this, if a paragraph has this topic sentence, it's going to compare laundry in someone else's country and in the United States. Laundry is my least favorite chore. In this paragraph, the controlling idea is least favorite chore, so the person would be describing why they don't like laundry. Men are much better at doing laundry than women. This is another sort of comparison paragraph where, in this case, we're comparing who's good at this chore, and this one says the men are better. Finally, the process of doing laundry involves several key steps that you should follow. Of course, this is the topic sentence that most accurately reflects the content in the paragraph. Remember, these are all pretty good topic sentences, but they have a different controlling idea because they don't show the content of the paragraph. So this one shows the content of the paragraph that I'm showing you. So here you can see that we've inserted the topic sentence into that paragraph. So if we start with the sentence, we'll be able to understand the paragraph much better. Okay, so as a reminder, that is called the topic sentence. Okay, one more important thing. Sometimes people have a little bit of confusion between the title of a paragraph or essay and the topic sentence. The title is just a few words or phrases about the topic. It doesn't show a controlling idea, or it's not a sentence, okay? It's just a few words that maybe sort of catch the reader's interest, but it's not a whole sentence, okay? So in this case, when we write a title, we just want to write like 3, maybe 4 words. In this case, we could do how to do laundry. That's the title. And that does show what it's going to be about, but we could also choose a different title. We could choose a few simple steps, okay? And that would be a fine title too, but the title is not what shows us really what the paragraph's about. It's not the job of the title. It really is the job of that topic sentence.